don't get caught up into being number one, because that can get tiring, you can burn out, and it's not, we're more than being number one, is what I'm saying. We're number one all the time. You don't have to be temporarily for a month number one, and then the next month is like, no. So you want to, obviously, if you're working with an employer, you got to meet the minimum requirement, right? But once you meet that minimum requirement, you just do you. Do what you got to do to pay for your bills and to sustain your family. And if you want to be number one, you can definitely work at it. But that was something I learned, that it's okay not to be number one.
Wow, I love that. That's really powerful, especially for the fitness industry. We are all type A's. We are all super competitive. We all have so much drive. And it's important to realize that you can kind of define your own level of success and feel like you succeeded without necessarily feeling like you have to be number one, measuring yourself against everybody else. You don't have to measure yourself.
Right. And that's not again, we came into the industry to help people. If you want to know that you're number one, ask your client, why are you training with me? And they will tell you why. And then you will feel like you're number one.
I love that. I love that. I recently polled my virtual studio business accelerator group, and I was asking them, how are they going to define their success? It's a 6-month program. And I was saying, how are you going to define your success in this program? And I thought that they were going to say money, and they didn't say money. They said number of people impacted.
Right. And that ties into the numbers, though, money-wise, because, you can't manage what you can't measure. Mm-hmm. Right? So that's an old school way. So I'm pretty sure if you're getting a lot of feedback that you're great and all that, then it's only a matter of time financially you're going to meet that threshold that you need. And then if you want to be like, hey, I want to have a higher threshold, guess what? You can. So they kind of parallel each other. When you're in lives, they do parallel each other. The finances and your not credentials. What's the word I'm looking for? Accolades, not your impact.
Yeah, impact. I love it. So powerful.